seems like everybody's really interested nowadays in cold plunges and saunas. These are very healthy things apparently, and they present great business opportunities. So in today's video, I want to actually talk about a breakout trend that I've been seeing, and I'm basically going to show you how you could start a business out of it. Let's just go right into it. As you see, the breakout trend I'm talking about is sauna blankets. And here's the rundown of the explanation. So sauna blankets are an incredibly popular trend for relaxation, wellness, and physical health benefits. So it does solve a major problem here. With its small footprint, ease of use, and minimal setup, it is becoming a go-to option for those looking to relax at home or have access to spa-like treatments. It is also a great business opportunity due to its affordability, low risk, and potential for long-term profitability. So this is a great point. You know, a lot of people love saunas, but they are pretty expensive, right? And take a look at the actual trend behind it. You can see that this is absolutely exploding, and it will continue to explode again, because people are looking to take their health more seriously, and saunas can help you do that. And now there's also another factor here, which is the fact that laying in a blanket is actually much easier than sitting in a hot room, right? So this is kind of like a lazy way to use a sauna. And anytime you have a lazy alternative to something, you know that's a good opportunity because people are lazy. Now, let me show you on Alibaba, because here is actually, a lot of people don't know about Alibaba, but Alibaba is basically where you can find suppliers and manufacturers for all sorts of products, literally anything you can imagine. So it's worth it to just browse around on Alibaba. AliExpress works too, but that's a direct to consumer website, whereas Alibaba is a business to business website. And surprisingly, you actually can drop ship a lot of these products through Alibaba as well. You just have to talk to the supplier. I mean, there's a literal button here that says contact supplier. So you can contact them and ask them if they can fulfill a few dropshipping orders so that you can test the product. So that's what I would recommend, is testing these types of products without necessarily ordering stock. I just don't think it's efficient to do that. It's better to test your idea with like a sample and then go from there. But anyways, these are going for like $120 to $150 a piece, even cheaper than that, $65 to $75 a piece. But guess what? On Google, almost these exact same ones, right, are going for nearly $500. I mean, yeah, there's some for cheaper here, $200, $119. This one's from Alibaba, but again, $200. Let's say you sell this for $200, right? You're basically beating everybody on price, and you're still making a huge margin because this is only $65. So that's almost a 3x price increase, which is great. And if you get a different one, you could private label it in the future if you wanted to. Pretty great opportunity. Now, here's where we want to take it to the next level. The reason why I like this product and the reason why I think it's a cool idea for an e-commerce business is because obviously there's so much content that you can make out of it. So, for example, content of you getting out of, the sauna blanket, or hiring somebody who's really attractive and having them get out of the sauna blanket and then show their results like every day or something. That would drive so many conversions. Let's say you do that on TikTok, right? And then you repost that content across all other social medias. That would be pretty smart. But I'm on a tool right now called answerthepublic.com. It's by Neil Patel. Well, he bought it, which was a genius move. Shout out Neil Patel. And here it's pretty cool because I looked up the keyword sauna blanket, and it gives us so many different ideas of content, blog ideas. And again, nowadays you can just use ChatGPT to create blogs for you. And something to consider is you can literally use ChatGPT to help you with some of these things as well. So for example, if you want to get content ideas, blog ideas, you can have them do that. There's so many things that people are asking. So like, what does a sauna blanket do? What is a sauna blanket? So even creating like an article landing page could be a good idea. That's something that's very powerful to do. Where can I buy a sauna blanket? What is a sauna blanket? All of these are getting really good search traffic. Prepositions. So is sauna blanket safe? Are sauna blankets dangerous? Sauna blankets for sale. A lot of people are very curious about sauna blankets. But yeah, just a quick little idea I wanted to throw your way. Obviously, Shopify still has their $1 a month deal going on. So it's really good to start shooting your shot because we don't know when this is going to end. But you can find that link in the description. And yeah, just a really quick video. I wanted to share this idea with you. Thought, this would be kind of fun to make, explore this idea further with my audience, and then maybe one of you guys will take it. Maybe you guys, you could even do like an ebook talking about the benefits of sauna blankets. I don't know. There's just so many things that you could do. So I'm also just kind of giving you the framework that you can think of to start a business. Maybe you use the framework to start a totally different business, but maybe it was helpful. I think it was. I think this was helpful for me. So if it was helpful for me, it probably is helpful to at least one of you, but that's about it. I'm rambling now. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.